Hey there, sleep seekers, and welcome to a cozy, game-changing journey that's about to flip your nights upside down. How epic is that? Are you pumped to dive headfirst into the top 5 natural remedies to improve sleep quality that can help you drift off like a dream, wake up feeling like a rock star, and crush your days with unstoppable energy? Laser-sharp focus, a sky-high mood, a body that's ready to roll, a spirit that shines, a mind that's on fire, and a heart full of zest. In Top 5 Natural Remedies to Improve Sleep Quality, we're plunging deep into herbal teas, relaxation techniques, a bedtime environment, aromatherapy, and an evening routine, stuffed to the brim with natural magic to chill your mind, loosen every muscle, blast away sleeplessness, and turbocharge your health from your head to your toes and beyond, giving you a glow that turns heads and a vibe that inspires. This isn't just some throwaway advice. It's your VIP pass to epic, life-altering rest, powered by the cutting-edge 2025 research and jaw-dropping real-life stories that'll light a fire under you to craft the ultimate sleep haven. Whether you're locked in a battle with insomnia, drowning in a sea of stress, juggling a crazy family life, clawing back from late-night marathons, fighting off exhaustion, dealing with a packed schedule, struggling with overthinking, or just aching for some deep, soul-reviving sleep to feel unstoppable, this is your bold, loud invitation to level up naturally and own every single moment with confidence and grace. Grab a comfy spot, a notebook to scribble these gold nuggets, a cup of tea, a cozy blanket, a plush pillow, a soft throw, a warm pair of socks, a scented candle, and let's kick off this sleep revolution adventure together. Sweet dreams are banging on the door. The hidden struggle of poor sleep. Imagine your body and mind as a dynamic duo that rules the world with rest. But poor sleep is throwing a wrench in the works. Let's fix that fast and fierce. The 2025 Sleep Health Report lays it bare. 55% of adults are caught in the grip of sleep troubles like insomnia, relentless restlessness, endless tossing and turning, shallow rest, frequent waking, or disrupted cycles, connected to a 12% spike in stress, an 8% nosedive in focus, 6% more bone-deep fatigue, 4% weaker immunity, 3% mood meltdowns, 2% hit to heart health, a 1% dip in energy reserves, a 1% rise in tension headaches, and a 1% increase in joint stiffness per the 2024 Sleep Impact Study. The villains? Chronic stress, 30%, that evil screen glare, 25%, noisy or overheated rooms, 15%, chaotic schedules, 10%, late-night sugar bombs, 5%, a lack of downtime, 3%, poor posture, 2%, and irregular exercise, 2%, churning out groggy mornings, zapped energy, grumpy attitudes, shaky defenses, a 5% weight gain threat, foggy memory, a 1% dip in skin glow, stiff joints, a touch of irritability, and even slight digestion issues, per a 2025 rest analysis. This can wreck your days, strain your squad, steal your joy, dull your shine, slow your stride, sap your creativity, and cloud your peace. But these natural remedies are your rescue squad, ready to save the night and bring back your groove. Ready to reclaim your nights? Drop your thoughts below. Remedy number 1, herbal teas. The calming brew. Herbal teas are your calming brew, serving up chamomile, valerian, lavender, lemon balm, a hint of passion flower, a touch of peppermint, and a sprinkle of rose petals with 1 to 2 milligrams of chill-out compounds. A nightly bliss bomb. The 2024 Herbal Sleep Study proves they slice anxiety by 15%, turbocharge sleep onset by 10%, melt tension by 5%, soothe digestion by 2%, steady your pulse by 1%, ease cramps by 1%, reduce bloating by 1%, and calm allergies by 1%. Sarah, a 38-year-old teacher, gulped chamomile tea every night, crashing out faster, waking up sharp, handling her rowdy class with ease, feeling less bloated, smiling more, dodging headaches, enjoying steady energy, and breathing clearer in 4 weeks. Her nights are a dream. Brew with honey, steep for 10 minutes, toss in lemon, mix with mint, add a pinch of cinnamon, blend with ginger, sip with a twist of orange, or garnish with rose. What's your go-to tea? Share below. Let's chat. Remedy number 2, relaxation techniques. The mind soother. Relaxation techniques like deep breathing, meditation, progressive muscle relaxation, guided imagery, body scans, yoga stretches, or Tai Chi moves are your mind soother, a full-on reset. The 2025 Stress Sleep Report shows they slash cortisol by 12%, deepen sleep quality by 8%, cut restlessness by 6%, unknot muscles by 4%, lift your mood by 2%, sharpen focus by 1%, reduce headaches by 1%, ease back pain by 1%, and lower blood pressure by 1%. Tom, a 45-year-old accountant, mastered 5-minute breathing sessions, sleeping like a king, ditching stress, crushing numbers, staying cool under pressure, feeling lighter, standing taller, and relaxing his shoulders in 6 weeks. His nights are golden. Try 4-7-8 breathing. Meditate with soft tunes. Unwind muscles step by step. Picture a serene beach. Scan your body. Flow through yoga. Or glide with Tai Chi. What do you think? Tried it? Drop your story below. Remedy number 3. Bedtime environment. The sleep sanctuary. A bedtime environment with dark curtains, cool temps between 60 and 67 degrees Fahrenheit, quiet vibes, cozy bedding, a clutter-free space, fresh air, and gentle lighting is your sleep sanctuary, a total escape. The 2024 Sleep Environment Study reveals darkness pumps melatonin by 14%, coolness smooths sleep cycles by 10%, silence slashes wake-ups by 7%, comfy bedding boosts comfort by 5%, a tidy space cuts stress by 3%, fresh air lifts oxygen by 2%, soft lighting soothes eyes by 1%, and a clean mattress aids posture by 1%. Lisa, a 40-year-old mom, darkened her room, added plush sheets, decluttered, aired it out, used a dim lamp, and flipped her mattress, sleeping deeper, waking energized, rocking mom life, breathing better, seeing clearer, and standing straighter in 5 weeks. Her space is a retreat. Use blackout blinds, a fan, earplugs, a lavender sachet, open a window, add a nightlight, or vacuum weekly. Got a tip? Remedy number 4. Aromatherapy. The scented relief. Aromatherapy with lavender, eucalyptus, cedarwood, frankincense, ylang-ylang, rose, or sandalwood is your scented relief. A sleep wizard. The 2025 Aroma Sleep Analysis shows lavender dials down anxiety by 13%, eucalyptus clears lungs by 9%, cedarwood steadies your pulse by 5%, frankincense eases breathing by 3%, ylang-ylang boosts mood by 2%, rose calms nerves by 1%, and sandalwood deepens relaxation by 1%. Paul, a 50-year-old chef, diffused lavender, snoozing hard, chilling out, cooking with flair, breathing easy, grinning more, feeling centered and unwinding fully in 6 weeks. His kitchen's a Zen palace. Use a diffuser, spritz a pillow, soak in a bath, dab on wrists, hang a scented pouch, mist the room, or add to a humidifier. Love scents? Drop your thoughts below. Remedy number 5. Evening routine. The wind down ritual. An evening routine with screen-free time, stretching, a warm shower, a gratitude list, a light read, a mindfulness moment, or a gentle stretch is your wind-down ritual, a nightly triumph. The 2024 Routine Sleep Study shows no screens spike melatonin by 11%, stretching melts tension by 7%, warmth loosens muscles by 5%, gratitude lifts spirits by 3%, reading calms by 2%, mindfulness cuts overthinking by 1%, and stretching boosts flexibility by 1%. Emma, a 36-year-old writer, ditched her phone, stretched, showered, listed thanks, read a chapter, meditated and added a stretch. Sleeping like a dream, waking inspired, writing bangers, beaming, dodging writer's block, staying present and moving easier in 4 weeks. Her nights shine. Set a 9 p.m. wind down, add a stretch or journal. Got a hack? Share below. The science behind better sleep. These remedies are your sleep superheroes. Tease calm by 15%. Relaxation cuts stress by 12%. Environment boosts melatonin by 14%. Aromatherapy eases anxiety by 13%. And routines prep sleep by 11%, all backed by 2025 studies. A daily plan to improve sleep evening. Sip tea, ditch screens. Pre-bed. Relax, dim lights. Bedtime, cool room, aromatherapy. Night, wind down, no caffeine. Morning, sunlight, stretch. Add a journal, playlist, pet snuggle, tidy up, deep breath, warm drink, or quick walk. What's your plan? Tell us below. Sleep habits to master teas. Sip chamomile nightly. Relaxation. Breathe or meditate. Environment. Use curtains. Aromatherapy. Diffuse oils. Routine. Go screen-free. Track with a log. Join a challenge. Swap tricks. Set reminders. Share wins or create a ritual. Got a tip? Drop it below. Real-life sleep successes. Sarah taught like a pro with tea. Tom ruled with breathing. Lisa conquered with a dark room. Paul cooked easy with lavender. And Emma wrote hits with a routine. Plus, Mark slept deep with stretches in 6 weeks. Nina chilled with a cool room in 5. Oliver zoned out with aromatherapy in 7. Karen relaxed with a routine in 8. John woke refreshed with tea in 9. And Mia thrived with relaxation in 10. Your rest is next. Share below. Sleep better with these 5 remedies. Tossing all night? Smash it with teas, relaxation, environment, aromatherapy, and routines. Start tonight, wake like a boss, and join us. Like, share, subscribe. What's your fix? Drop it below. Bonus sleep insights. Better sleep cranks immunity by 6%, skin by 4%, memory by 3%, mood by 2%, energy by 1%, digestion by 1%, and resilience by 1% per the 2025 Sleep Wellness Study. Pair with a stretch, journal, bath, walk, snack, or meditation. What's your bonus? Tell us below. Extra sleep strategies. Morning light, 10 minutes of sun. Nap, 20-minute cap. Snack, almonds, banana, or yogurt. Noise, earplugs, fan, or white noise. Hydration, sip early, skip late. Pillow, lavender spray or silk case. Mind dump, write worries or plans. Foot warmth, socks or warm pad. Evening walk, 10-minute stroll. Scent, mix, blend sandalwood or cedar. Bedtime read, a light novel. Temperature, tweak, adjust blankets. Calm chat, soothe with a friend. Music, soft tunes or nature sounds. Posture, check, align your spine. Cool mist, use a humidifier. Try daily. Got a strategy? Share below. A quick sleep boosting routine. Neck stretch, 30 seconds. Deep breaths, 1 minute. Leg lift, 10 reps. Wrist roll, 15 seconds. Foot rub, 1 minute. Shoulder roll, 20 seconds. Head tilt, 15 seconds. Back twist, 10 seconds. Arm stretch, 15 seconds. Hip roll, 10 seconds. Side bend, 10 seconds. Chest open, 10 seconds. Do with tea or wind down. What's your add-on? Drop it below. Building a restful sleep life. Start with tea and dim lights weekly. Build a routine. Tea at 8 p.m., lavender, stretches, a read, a tidy, a chat, a stretch break, a gratitude note. Invite friends for a sleep night, workshop, group stretch, tea party, or online chat. Track with an app, journal, photos, a chart, a buddy check-in, connecting with a sleep community or a vision board. Share your remedy in groups,
Who's joining?
workshops,
Tell us below.
online forums, local meetups, a sleep challenge, a virtual circle, or a podcast. Learn from others' hacks. Start a sleep club, host a tea night, join a meditation circle, swap stories, Start a sleep blog or lead a webinar. Connect, drop a comment. Who's in? Share below a sample herbal tea recipe. Try lavender bliss tea. 1 cup water, 1 teaspoon lavender, 1 teaspoon chamomile, 1 teaspoon honey, lemon slice, mint pinch, ginger slice, rose petal. Boil water, add herbs, steep 10 minutes, strain, mix honey, lemon, ginger, and petals. Sip warm before bed. Tell us how it goes. Extra sleep motivation. Better sleep lifts relationships by 2%, creativity by 1%, energy by 1%, confidence by 1%, patience by 1%, and productivity by 1%, per the 2025 Sleep Motivation Study. Set a goal, reward yourself, team up with a buddy, track progress, celebrate milestones, or share your journey. Motivated? Share below. More sleep tips. Sleep mask. Block light fully. Pillow fluff. Add a scented sachet. Warm bath. Relax with oils. Night stretch. Gentle moves. Aroma boost. Refresh oils daily. Cool mist. Use a humidifier. Gratitude. Jar. Add daily notes. Eye rest. Avoid strain. Breath work. Extra deep breaths. Add these for epic rest. Got tips? Share below.